name is Amanda and I'm so excited to be unboxing your July Teacher Care Crate this month, so let's dive into all the fun. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate, you are going to be greeted with your info card, and this month's theme is Back to School Toolkit for the July 2024 with a designer, the designer teacher. And this is so exciting because she's also offering a back to school code for Etsy on her Etsy shop for 25% off. So we can't wait for you to dive into this box filled with so many fun goodies to get you ready for back to school. I'm going to go through what's in the box, but don't forget to stay tuned to the very end because I'm also going to go through your digital downloads. So let's dive into all the fun. You, of course, are going to get your new art print for the month. This one is so wonderful. It says best year ever, and I hope that you are going to have the best year ever. It doubles as a note card to write a special note to someone to cheer them on for a new coworker or teacher friend that you know. So a fun one to add to your collection. You're going to love these wooden teacher earrings. I love this set. It has like an apple print, like a little notepad, a little pencil. It says teacher things, and this was also designed by the designer teacher. So really fun teacher jewelry to rock your school year with. You're going to, of course, have a brand new hand sanitizer, which is an absolute teacher essential thing to have at your desk or in your teacher bag. So another fun one to add to your collection. You're going to love these Teach magnets to add to your refrigerators. These were also designed by the designer teacher, and they're going to look great in your classroom. So I love this circle one. It says Teach plus this Teach coffee one. So fun to add to your house or your classroom. You are going to get new pens. Every teacher loves these. It says Back to School Jotter pen set, and they say Teach, you got this, difference maker, all kinds of fun to add to your teacher desk of supplies. You're going to love this brand new teacher self-care, and it's a teacher headband. This one is a knotted headband, also designed by the designer teacher, and this is the perfect finishing touch to your teacher hairstyles this school year. So I love the pink checkered plus the little pencils. I can't wait to wear it this school year, and I know you're going to love it too. And it feels so soft, I can't wait. Plus, your last thing, which is a super fun one, you're going to get this wireless doorbell, which is perfect for choosing your ringtone and volume. Batteries come included, and this is great for some classroom management. So this is wonderful to have in your classroom, and I love the white and gold detail design. So this is wonderful. You're going to love it. It's perfect for getting attention and functions efficiently in your classroom. So can't wait for you to check out your July Teacher Care Crate this month. It's a fun one. It's definitely going to be your best year ever, but let's also check out your fun printable downloads. So, of course, you're going to get your July printable calendars, and you can choose from your different sets here. You're also going to get your weekly planner. I love putting these on my desk, and it helps me stay organized, so you are welcome to print as much as you like. Plus, of course, remembering your self-care teacher friends, you're going to get some fun printables for you to use. So this is Remember Your Why, Feeling Gratitude pages. You're going to do some journaling prompts if you need those, some affirmations of gratitude, and just fun ways for you to check in with your self-care this month. So I can't wait for you to join me again in August for our next Teacher Care Crate.